We led this broadcast Friday evening telling you about the risk of widespread severe storms heading into the weekend.
The warning from the National Weather Service proved accurate, with at least 60 tornadoes across the south and central U.S. At least 42 people were killed in 8 states.
Most of the fatalities were in Missouri, where Jason Allen has a remarkable story of survival.
My room was right here.
That room had kept Alea Contreras safe in previous storms.
And, right here was where my door was.
Right here was your door?
Yeah.
And where is your door now?
Over there.
As tornadoes threatened Poplar Bluff, the third grader stressed to her mom that this time they needed to go.
We've never left for a tornado until this time for some reason.
What's that reason?
My daughter waking up, freaking out, and just a gut feeling. Someone told me to leave.
Alea's mother, Kelsey Webb, rushed them to her brother's home, where the three of them huddled in a bathtub. You feel pretty lucky that something inside you this time told you to leave?
Yeah.
Because you could have been here through all of that.
We wouldn't be alive.
At least 13 tornadoes were reported this weekend across Missouri, killing 12 people. Some in Poplar Bluff may only be alive because of Jerry Moore. The pastor ran from door to door, offering shelter in his church.
So you had all those people, 20 people huddled right here?
Yeah, right here. Here's the chairs right here, if you can see them.
Moore told us a tornado passed directly overhead. It destroyed the church, but spared everyone inside.
It was a shock to see all this gone here, where we just had services a week ago Sunday, but now we come back and it's total devastation.
And Jason Allen joins us now from Poplar Bluff, Missouri. Smart young girl there, Jason. You've covered many storms over the years, but this one certainly seemed a bit different, didn't it?
It really did, Maurice. This was a very narrow path of damage, maybe stretching across the street, the houses on both sides. And often when I've seen those storms over the years, it means a tornado of lesser intensity, EF 0s and 1s, as evidenced by the damage in the church behind me. And this is where the pastor sheltered with people. This was a narrow tornado, but still incredibly violent.